Hi friends, I am Saiful Azman. I am going to introduce a seabird, seagull through this video. Watch this video to know some amazing facts about seagull. If you like my video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, Saifu's Animal World. Now let's watch amazing facts about seagull.
Seagull is a beautiful and intelligent seabird. Seagulls are omnivores. They feed on insects, small mammals, birds, reptiles. They also consume seed, fruit, and leftovers of human. Scientific name of seagull is Laridae. Most seagulls can survive from 10 to 15 years. Seagulls are mostly seen in coastline, bays, major lakes, and urban areas. Gulls are typically coastal birds. Gulls are typically medium to large birds. Gulls range in size from 30 to 75 centimeter. They are generally uniform in shape with heavy bodies. They weigh about 120 to 1750 grams. They have long wings and moderately long necks and legs. Their structure allows them equal ability in swimming, flying, and walking. During winter season, seagulls move from one place to another to seek warmer habitats. Wow! See the beautiful white colored seagulls chasing our boat. Most probably, they are coming in search of food. The black markings on the head and wings gives a glory look to it. Seagulls can be seen in two colors, white or grey. Large white-headed gulls are more aggressive than black-headed gulls. Look, it's still chasing our boat. It's chasing us for a long distance to find some food from our boat. The gulls have a worldwide habitat, especially in coastal areas. Seagulls breed on every continent including Antarctica. They are less common on tropical islands. Gulls nest in large, densely packed, noisy colonies. No gull species is a single prey specialist. They live in groups, search food together. They can be obtained prey in the air, on water, or land. The incubation period of seagull lasts between 22 and 26 days. Young chicks are brooded by their parents for about 1 or 2 weeks. Interesting facts about seagull. Seagulls are very clever and intelligent. They learn, remember, sometimes they even imitate rainfall and trick earthworms to come to the surface. Seagulls are attentive and caring parents. They care their young ones well. Seagull can drink both fresh and salt water. Most animals are unable to do this. They live in groups. Young gulls will remain together until they are old enough to breed. Seagull represents a carefree attitude, versatility, and freedom behavior in life. Seagulls are good hunters. Seagulls are independent and considered as sailors of the animal world.